good morning. It is a windy and snowy Tuesday, January 18th, and there's a storm coming in. We're supposed to get 4 to 6 inches of snow, maybe a little less, but it's not supposed to be very cold today. And after tomorrow, the temperatures fall off a cliff. So we're going fishing. We'll see what it's like. The conditions are going to be a little tough, but we won't be cold. Not very big. Hope I stays hooked. It feels bigger than it did initially.
This might be a long video. Try not to drop the phone on that.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, I see it, yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad at all. Quite sharp. Oh, that knot is
Oh, trying to take a run.
All right, he's gonna be about, whoa. I have the drag pin pretty tight, so.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Oh!
Oh!
I mean,
Oh, that was a nice fish too.
we got a cool video.
There we go. I need to crank this drag up a little bit. Need to make sure I get that hook in him. See, you're reeled up, right?
I'm going, yep. Jeez.
Shoot, nope. Yeah. Get out of that. Get out of there. There we go. Where's he snagged? Where's the...
Oh yeah, he snagged.
Where's the lure?
It's underneath in there.
Oh,
See that?
Now, buddy, you got a pull. There you go.
There you go.
All right. Oh no. All right, for the camera, that's a nice right shot. Okay, buddy, you are going back. Oh, you want to go too. Good. Well, that wasn't the most exciting morning of fishing that's ever been had, but it's beautiful out. It is snowing like crazy. It's a winter wonderland. We have gotten, it's about 1:30ish, and it started snowing right when we started fishing, so, or when we got going around 7. And so far there's maybe 3 inches of pretty heavy snow, so it's coming down. This is the first snowfall, I guess a semi-significant snowfall we've had in maybe 2 weeks, so it's nice to freshen things up a little bit. Now it's going to get cold again, so we'll see how that goes. It's a very different January compared to last year when it was so warm. Every day it was 25, 30 degrees, and it was easy to get out everywhere. This year it is very normal January, cold and snow about every week.